And hello there, Tillamook. Gordon McCraw here, the Chief Meteorologist for Tillamook County Pioneer. That was a quick round two of an exciting winds and rain, and it looks like we saw around 3/4 to 2 inches of rain in the last 24 hours. And we saw the winds kicking up to around 35 to 45 in town as the front and the associated low pressure system pushed through. Like I'd warned, this system ended up giving a few folks a little snow, including Cannon Beach and across the Coast Range. Other areas reporting snow were Portland, the Gorge, Hood River areas, up into Washington and Vancouver. Looking this morning at the webcam at Lee's Camp, it showed precipitation in the form of snow with the temperatures of around 32.7, which is 589 feet, so the summit was likely to be accumulating snow this morning as well. ODOT reported on Trip Check that it was snowing hard and continuous at 4 a.m. this morning. The temperature was 32 with 6 inches of roadside snow and 1 inch of new snow. There were chain restrictions between milepost 27 to 38. The only other thing that was noteworthy is that the rivers did rise but did not reach action stage. Another thing to note is the chance of tidal overflow flooding due to the fact that they're having some higher surf conditions combined with elevated rivers, and that's on top of some astronomical high tides, which are running nearly a foot higher than forecasted also. These king tides peak tomorrow and Friday. This means that all the usual overflow suspects, including the North Main areas near the Fern, will likely see water on those roads during high tide times, which is around lunchtime and near midday tomorrow. We'll likely see water on the roads during the high tide times, which was around lunchtime today and near midnight tonight. So we're looking at some more cold, unstable air over the region, and this is bringing us some more rain showers today with the chance of thunderstorms again. Staying breezy, the winds westerly 10 to 15 gusting to 25, with the heavier showers as they move across. The high today near 47. The snow level lifting to near 1,900 feet this afternoon. You see more showers and possible thunderstorms tonight through around midnight, winds westerly 5 to 10 gusting to 20, the low near 38, so low-level snow is unlikely. We were hoping the models would come into better agreement on the forecast from Thursday on, but things are just too complicated for even the models. There is the Arctic air mass that is expected to drop south out of Canada, and we see another trough off our coast, and the low pressure system approaching also. These are all the major players, and the issue is, how will they all interact? The approaching low pressure system will drive how far southwest the Arctic air will intrude. There's still a large difference in the models on the temperatures. Some are warmer, some are very cold. As we will continue to see falling moisture over the period, warmer means we see rain, cooler means we see some accumulating snow, especially over the Coast Range eastward. And now that I've given you all the reasons this forecast is difficult and causing a lack of confidence, I'll continue with the forecast. For tomorrow, we see another system bringing in more rain and breezy westerly winds 15 to 20 gusting to 30, the high near 47. More rain tomorrow night. The snow level starts to fall again, down to near 1,500 feet. The winds increasing to 20 to 25 gusting to 40, the low near 37. This means the summit will be seeing more snow. Friday sees more rain and lowering snow levels down to around 1,300 feet with the winds becoming southerly 10 to 15 gusting to 20, the high near 46. Rain, a rain-snow mix, or just snow Friday night as the temperatures drop to near 33. Still breezy, so the wind chill will make it feel like the 20s. Now Saturday and Sunday are when the confidence really takes a dump. We'll see another wet and windy system moving in, and here's where the gap in the model temperatures really take place. The warmer temperatures spell wet for the weekend. The colder solutions equal accumulating snow for many, especially in the Coast Range, eastward and through the valley. The rivers will be on the rise again, but they're not currently expected to cause any river flooding. Officially, the forecast for the weekend is rain likely and possibly some snow, breezy. The snow level starts higher, then falls Saturday night into Sunday to around 1,300 feet again. Saturday's temperatures are 43 for a high and 28 for the low. Then Sunday the high is 43 and the low is near 25. The forecast remains nearly the same for MLK Day with highs near 42 and lows near 28, along with a slight chance of rain or snow. Now I took a quick look at the Highway 6 summit forecast also, and it's not looking good for travelers. With the low temperature tonight of around 33, this means the top of the summit may see some snow with the winds making it blowing snow. Friday things get even more interesting with the high only near 34, and with some heavy precipitation, it's possible the summit could see 7 to 13 inches of snow, as it may be heavy at times, and with the low up there that night forecasted to be around 20, snow and ice will likely be an issue. The weekend on through MLK Day is looking even colder up there, with the high temperatures in the mid to upper 20s and the lows in the mid-teens, and still breezy and still with that rain or snow chance, it looks like ODOT will be having their hands full for several days and nights in a row. That's it for the weekend hump day forecast. It's obvious that the very active winter weather pattern is not ready to give up yet. With all the uncertainty, the word potential is still at play. There's a potential for low snow over the weekend into next week, and there's the potential for some freezing daytime temperatures. There's also the potential for numerous advisories, watches, and warnings related to the weather. My advice is to prepare and get ready for the worst. Keep an eye on the forecast and look at tripcheck.com before you go. This is meteorologist Gord McCraw saying, stay warm and stay safe, y'all.